Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the quick update for Winter Storm Diego. It's been officially been named. So we're going to go ahead and begin with the European model. Things have been changing over the last day today. So we're going to head look into the models here. We're going to go ahead and start off with 9 a.m. on Saturday, with snow already going on back in the Texas area, even getting. Now, right now, we're not really looking at severe weather right now because there's some type of thing that's not going to make those thunderstorms to go severe or anything. So we're not really looking into severe weather. There is a marginal risk, and I think it's tomorrow for southeastern Texas, there from the Storm Prediction Center. And if we go ahead and continue on to 6 p.m., see that continues. We even get some snow and freezing rain for Oklahoma and Arkansas. If we go to 3 a.m., we're even getting some sleet and snow trying to develop on the Tennessee-Kentucky state line. We're even getting some heavy snow developing in the North Carolina mountains area. And then snow really does pick up in stickage for like Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, and Virginia. And maybe for West Virginia is what could be included with that. If we look at to 4 p.m., heavy snow for Virginia and Kentucky and North Carolina at this point on Sunday, 5 o'clock. 8 p.m., snow starts to decrease in the area. 1 a.m., snow, there is some moisture left behind it, so snow could stick around a little bit more longer as that low treks out into sea, while snow and rain still does stick around. How much snow could we see here? Well, now the snow forecast has gone down considerably for a good amount of people. It's down to 21 inches for North Carolina mountains. We have little pockets of snow, like back in Arkansas, maybe you could see up to 5 inches or so. In the back of Texas and Oklahoma area, could see a general 5 to 8 inches possible. That would be pretty isolated. While over here, it's around the mountain area, it's a general 8 to 12 feet or above that from the European model. Now let's look into the GFS here. And the GFS has brought it down a little bit to the south. This is similar to the European model. You got a very similar setup with snow in those typical areas like the European showed. We're going to continue on. Heavy snow for Virginia, North Carolina as well in those mountain areas, and then it moves out. Not a lot of moisture sticks around. We may even get maybe a surface low to try to develop back there as well. Total snowfall accumulations here, not looking a lot. Very similar to the European model, but lower snowfall totals on here. It seems like for the most part around this area, it's a general 8 to a foot of snow. Back here, it's a lot less. It's more of a 3 to 5 inches, maybe isolated 5 plus back there for the GFS. It's not looking to be a lot. Let's look at the FV3, however, showing a lot more snow than the GFS showed. You could tell 15 inches for southeastern Kentucky, and you also got those blues down there that could see up to 3 feet of snow from the FV3 GFS, which is just ridiculous. And that's more than the European model, but I kind of doubt it. That's going to be that much snow. The Canadian model, however, it's a little bit similar story, maybe seeing up to 28 inches. That's where you see that dark blue in there. Back here is not showing that much snow for Arkansas, but back in Texas, though, can see a little bit higher amounts. But, the CMC is not really good with things, so we're not really going to be too focused on that model in particular. And now, if we go ahead and look into the NAM model, what the NAM's looking at is a decent amount of snow for places like Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and maybe even Georgia a little bit there as well. Even West Virginia could get some as well, therefore. Now, I could agree with this a little bit more on the NAM model here. I kind of like the track of where it's going. It's got a decent amount of snowfall totals I would agree on, but I don't think it's not going to go as far as Georgia, though. I think it's too widespread, but those snowfall totals are kind of accurate from the NAM model. RGM is still updating, so only goes out 2 days, so we're only going to see areas back here tomorrow. Now my snowfall forecast, my snowfall totals will be going down eventually, but we still got a few days out for the Mid-Atlantic region, so things still could change. If you can tell by the model runs, it's been going north-south. It's been going up and down considerably, so we'll probably see possibly another big change in the forecast on the next couple model runs soon, or maybe not. We're just going to have to see where this is going to go. Right now, the best of the snow is most likely going to be for states of southeastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee, western Virginia, the mountains of North Carolina. It could stretch down as far as South Carolina. So we're going to see how things are going to play out. I'll probably make another update at some point. If there's going to be if there's a major change in the models, I'll make an update. Just like on this one, things have changed a lot with forecast. So that's all I got for y'all guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick Wichita Diego video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and I'll see y'all in the next update. Goodbye.